Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to do this makeup look, and this look is very Indian and so ethnic. I just love this look. So let's just start it. So first and foremost thing is to prep your face. I have already done my moisturizer and sunscreen, and after that I'm applying this primer from Mars Cosmetics. So this look is one of my favorite looks because I just love wearing Indian outfits, and I think that this look goes well with any Indian outfit. So yes, must try it. And okay, after that I am using Maybelline Superstay foundation in the shade 310. This is a little bit lighter for my skin tone, but yes, I am tanned. That's why it is looking lighter. Otherwise this is a good match because Maybelline's foundation tend to oxidize, so go for a little shade lighter than your normal skin tone. And after that I am using my new L'Oreal concealer, which you already know if you are following me from my previous videos. So yes, I am using this one to just highlight my few features, and after that I am going to bronze, and I am using this Makeup Revolution bronzer just to give a depth to my face so that it do not looks flat. So yes, I am blending it well, and the blending part should be very good. So this step is not very important. If you want it, you can skip this step, but if you're using makeup products and you are not bronzing or contouring, then your face looks flat. So it's very important that you do a little bit of depth to your face so that it do not looks flat. So after that I am using a cream blush, which was a mistake because before that I used a powder bronzer, which do not goes well with cream product. So always use either cream products or use only powder products. So yes, and after that I am doing baking part, and after blending it well I am going with my eyebrows. And eyebrows, I feel that filling eyebrows is the most important part and a game changer part of your makeup game. So yes, do not forget that. And after that I'm using my favorite, one of the favorites and everyday perfect eyeshadow palette, which is from Wet n Wild. It is Rose in the Air eyeshadow palette, and I just love this palette. It is my all time favorite one, and I'm using a transition shade. And after that I'm taking a rusty orange or brown color to just give that smoky effect on my outer corners. And then I am taking a bronzy shimmery shade, and I am tapping it on my eyelid. And after that I am taking a lighter champagne shade to fill my inner corners so that it gets highlighted over there. And also I am using it under my eyebrow bone so that the highlighting part can be done there also. And after that, blending well with the eyeshadow brush and taking the same brown color on my lower lash line also, so that my eye look goes complete. And after that I'm taking this Insight liquid eyeliner, which I recently purchased, and I'm liking it. It is very good, and it is waterproof and non-transferable, so it stays long if you apply it. I have a bad habit of rubbing my eyes, so for people like me this goes well. And after that I'm curling my eyelashes and coating that with mascara. The mascara I am using is from Maybelline New York. It's their Lash Sensational Sky High mascara, and I received this one in a gift from Nika, and I just love this mascara. It is so good. It makes your eyelashes just pop out and defines your lashes very well. I just love this mascara. I just love it. You can see the look afterwards and you'll also love it. And after that, thinking about my lips, I thought of going with Maybelline once again, and I'm using their Maybelline lipstick in the shade Lippy, I think 10. And this is not very good, but when it dries it looks kind of good, so it is okayish kind of lipstick. I just feel okay about it. I do not like it. This is not my favorite, but yes, I received it once again in a gift box from Maybelline when I shopped from Nika, so I just like it. So why not completing the look with bindi? And because I forgot the highlighter, so doing the highlighter part also. And this is the whole look. I just love this look, and this is so Indian and so pure, so lovely look. You can carry this with any Indian outfit or even western outfit. Just remove the bindi. So I just hope you like this look, and if you did, please comment down and subscribe to my channel. Bye.